Oh yeah, it definitely
Alright folks, with some safety announcements. Teiblmauntin is a national park, part of a World Heritage Site. Funds are provided for your litter. Please stay on the demarcated pathways as they are there for your own safety. And for all my smokers, smoking is only allowed at the 12 Apostle Terrace, which is situated below our retail store, shop at the top. Please stay on the demarcated pathways as they are there for your own safety. As we come to a docking point, we will be reaching the height of 1,067 meters, which is approximately 3,500 feet above sea level. Please keep your tickets safe, as you'll need them to come down. If you do not have your ticket, you'll be taking a very long walk to freedom. Yeah. For those who are afraid of heights, congratulations, you've made it.